Are you wondering how to undo in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you are able to do in the platform. So I've just created a brand new project to walk through this tutorial, and I've entered some basic tasks. So the first thing I'd recommend you do, so this is a quick tip, is I would add the project as a favorite, and I will show you why in a moment. So to do that, we're going to, under here, on the left-hand side, on the left-hand panel, you're going to click the drop down there and add to favorites. And you'll see it's now a favorite, and I will show you why in a moment. But if you want to undo, one thing I would firstly like to discuss with the undo functionality is that it is quite limited. So there is no keyboard shortcut like Control Z. So if you were to go, let's put a new task in here. Let's just put, say, I'm just going to put hello as an example. If I now press Control Z, it does take me back to that task, but as you can see, it doesn't kind of wipe out my text. If I was to go ahead and delete that task, so right click and click delete tasks, if I press Control Z, again, nothing's going to happen. But you might have noticed here in the bottom left, this is the undo functionality of Asana, but it only lasts for 10 seconds. So you've got to be quite quick, and you've also got to make sure that you do it. So as you can see there, it's gone. So once that's gone, you're kind of, it's lost. You cannot undo. So I'll show you that one more time to undo a task. So we'll put hello. I'm going to delete this task. I'm going to go right click, delete task. Now to get that back and undo that delete, you would then click undo, and you'll see it has come back. Now, a little while ago, I mentioned adding the project to your favorites, and this is why I like to do that. And it's purely because if you don't do that, this functionality is not possible. But if you click this drop down here, so I'm actually going to delete this first. Let's delete this first to show you. But if you click the drop down in the favorites section, you will have, or if I click on this, if I click on the show more button, you will see an option called deleted items. So if it's not a favorite, you won't have the ability to do this. But then if you click on deleted items, you can see an overview of all of the items that have been deleted. So at least you've got some kind of audit trail and you know what's happened, so you can see what's been deleted. So as you can see, did a little bit of testing before recording this video, but at least this way you can, I believe you can actually, yes, if you click on that button there, so the details button, you also have the ability to undelete or delete permanently. So undelete actually would be, in essence, a way of undoing a task as well. Delete permanently, obviously it's gone from the system. So if I click on undelete and then go back into my project, we can see that it's there. So I suppose it is a way of undoing. It's perhaps not, it doesn't work for every use case in Asana, but it is a means of doing so. So yeah, make sure you add your project as a favorite to enable this functionality. It gives you that audit trail, and you can then go ahead and do things like that. So with that said, I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this, and do consider subscribing to my channel. I've got a library of different Asana tutorials and training videos, so if you're new to the platform, then you can learn how to use it and get the most out of it for your organization. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.